Hi guys, it's Irina here. Today I will be installing a carbon fiber grill on my M3. How pretty is it? So excited. Okay, also I still have my old wheels for sale. If anybody wants them, here they are. Let me know if you guys want them. I am charging $600 for them plus shipping. So yeah, just direct message me on my Instagram or email me and we can discuss details. Okay, so the best way to get this out as safely as possible, you basically have to clip onto these metal parts right here. Right there. So the middle part, you clip onto it. It's like a clip. Once you press on it, it should come out. But do it gently because obviously you don't want to damage anything. See how it's like a clip right here? So you gotta be really careful with it. Took me, I don't know, like 10 minutes just because I wanted to be super careful. So one part is done, now onto the next one. Okay, so the grill is done, but I just have the 4 screws to put back in here, which is obviously going to be very simple. Definitely all about the details. So happy I did this. So if anybody wants my old grills, hit me up because I don't see why I want to keep them. Also, I have my old orange reflectors. If anybody wants them, DM me or email me. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful. I honestly had fun with this. It was a little scary, but just go slow with it and you'll be fine. And yeah, I definitely felt like a car girl. I love doing new mods to my car, so stay tuned for more. And then girls, if you do like this tank top, it says car girls are angels sent from heaven. It's available at beamerangels.com. I'll post the link below. So yeah, like this video and subscribe if you want. I am definitely wanting to grow my page. I will see you guys next time.